This is what my life looks like back in college.
I watched the sunrise as I finished my work and I finally went to sleep at 6 a.m. only to wake up in 3 hours because we had this presentation at.
Whenever I feel like my life is a mess, I always find one reason for it: my suffering college student sleep cycle. So today, now that I'm back from college and not drowning in presentations and assignments and exam prep, I decided to try waking up at 5 a.m. to get my life together. Firstly, it's 6. Secondly, I'm never doing this again. I'm not sure why I'm doing this. Actually, I do know why I'm doing this. I have one sole motivation for doing this, which is my marketing project that I have to submit at 10 a.m. And I'm not done with the report yet. That is why I am doing this. My head hurts. Wow. Morning kaddu face. Okay, I'm gonna go make chai because chai. Okay, so now I've washed my skin and I'm all prepped to put on sunscreen and head out for my little 7 a.m. morning run. And part of getting my life together is also getting my health together. By the way, if you, like me, have also wasted your money on like 100 different sunscreens, watch this right now because I think I found one of the best sunscreens ever. Recently, I found the Garnier Cooling Water Gel Sunscreen. It has SPF 50 PA4+, which literally gives my skin the best protection that it needs. And just wait, I'm going to show you something really cool. This is a UV camera. So this is what my skin looks like without sunscreen. Like that. Hello. And now I'm going to put on the sunscreen and then show you what it looks like on the UV camera. It literally feels like water on my skin. Don't forget to put sunscreen on your neck too. It's so lightweight and it's non-sticky and sweat resistant too. Best part, it has this cooling effect which makes my skin feel so cool and refreshed in this hot summer. Whoa. And now you can see my skin looks all black in this UV camera because it's all protected with sunscreen and it's not grey anymore. That is the magic of a good sunscreen. Time to see if the sunscreen is actually sweat resistant. I was outside in the harsh sun for an hour and I was like completely sweating. But look at this. Look, it's completely dark even though I was out in the sun for an hour. So if you're looking for a product that actually works in this heat, this is all you need. Thank me later. Let me show you my guiltiest pleasure. First 5 months of college, I was depressed because I couldn't get Yakult. And then I found Yakult. And then all's been good since then. Another psychotic guilty pleasure of mine that all of my friends heavily judge me for is the fact that I love having Oreo with chai. You know how there's like a rusk chai, biscuit chai combo? My choice of biscuits, Oreos. You know, it's so abnormal for me having so much free time. Last night I was having full on anxiety because I was like, kuch to like there's missing that I'm not doing. Like there's something that I have to do that I'm not doing. And then I made this like panic to-do list. So the project that I was talking about is basically our like big semester ka marketing project. We're done with our presentation and everything. Now we have to make the report and submit it. Looks like my teammates have really pulled through. So I just have to finish like a little bit of like my portion. Like again, when I was back in college, I had no free time, like zero free time. So even the books that I had bought recently, I have not been able to actually read them. I've bought a couple books in fact, like in the last few months, and like I've barely read a few pages. But ghar aane ke baad, I've gotten a little bit back into reading. Last night I was reading this book, Everything I Know About Love by Dolly Alderton. If you're a girl who's in her late teens, early 20s, like this is the book that you need to read. Filled with stories from Dolly's youth, all of the fun, crazy experiences that she had. Such a fun book to read. I'm enjoying it so much. Basically just her making these like poor life decisions every step of the way. So relatable. This is literally the perfect book to get back into reading because it's such a fast-paced, fun read. You know what I've been thinking about? Like in my videos, I feel like I seem so perfect and like my life is so together, but it's not like that in real life. Like, but it is. It's not like I'm putting up a facade. It is, I am this person, but there's so much more also to me as a person. And I feel like if people meet me in real life and see my real life, they'll feel like they'll like call me fake or something. But it's not fake. It's just that there are things that I don't want to show. There are things I can't show. But then like this life is also me. Like in college, my whole like soft girl era and like self-care and all of this has been entirely missing because I have no time to do these things. Like my schedule in college is unbelievable. Not just mine, but like everybody's. When am I supposed to do these things that make me me? I've missed drinking chai in this. I feel like a dirty rat, so I'm gonna go take a shower. But before that, actually, I should probably eat something because I think I will faint otherwise.
खा लो, 1 घंटा वेट किया इसके लिए खाने तो।
What is this? Why are you doing all that?